Did you know that your bedtime routine could be making you age faster? Most people think aging is all about genetics, but science says otherwise. The truth is, small nighttime habits could be adding years to your skin, weakening your brain, and even reducing your lifespan. If you're over 60, these mistakes can be even more damaging. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix them. Stick around because number 1 is the most surprising mistake almost everyone makes. Let's get started. Mistake 7. Using screens before bed. Do you scroll on your phone or watch TV right before bed? If so, you might be unknowingly speeding up the aging process. Blue light from screens reduces melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Poor sleep leads to increased stress hormones, which cause wrinkles, memory loss, and even weight gain. Solution: try reading a book, listening to soft music, or using blue light blocking glasses. A simple 30-minute screen detox before bed can improve your sleep quality and help slow aging. Mistake 6. Not getting enough sleep. Sleep is your body's natural repair system. But did you know that getting less than 7 hours of sleep per night can shorten your lifespan? Studies show that poor sleep accelerates skin aging, weakens immunity, and increases the risk of dementia. Solution: set a consistent bedtime and wake-up time. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep, and don't ignore signs of sleep apnea, like loud snoring or waking up gasping for air. If you suspect sleep apnea, talk to your doctor. It could be the key to slowing down aging. Mistake 5. Sleeping in a hot room. Do you keep your bedroom warm at night? If so, you might be harming your skin and metabolism. A hot room disrupts deep sleep, making it harder for your body to repair itself. Plus, higher temperatures can lead to dehydration, which worsens wrinkles and dry skin. Solution: set your bedroom temperature between 60 to 67 degrees F, 15 to 19 degrees C for optimal sleep. If you feel too cold, use breathable blankets instead of raising the heat. Mistake 4. Eating late at night. Do you ever have a late-night snack before bed? It might seem harmless, but eating too close to bedtime can cause acid reflux, disrupt digestion, and spike blood sugar levels. Over time, this leads to inflammation, a major cause of aging. Solution: finish your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. If you feel hungry, choose light, sleep-friendly snacks like bananas, almonds, or a warm cup of chamomile tea. Mistake 3. Sleeping on your stomach or side. Your sleep position might be causing wrinkles. When you sleep on your side or stomach, your face presses into the pillow, creating lines that can turn into permanent wrinkles over time. Side sleeping can also put pressure on your spine, leading to back and neck pain. Solution: try sleeping on your back with a supportive pillow. If you can't break the habit, switch to a silk or satin pillowcase to reduce skin friction. Mistake 2. Not hydrating before bed. Did you know that dehydration accelerates aging? Overnight, your body loses water, and if you're already dehydrated, it shows in your skin and energy levels. Dehydration can also make joints stiff and increase the risk of nighttime leg cramps. Solution: drink a glass of room temperature water about 30 minutes before bed. Avoid caffeine or alcohol, as they dehydrate your body and disrupt sleep. Mistake 1. Sleeping with the wrong pillow. Your pillow isn't just about comfort. It affects your posture, breathing, and even brain health. An unsupportive pillow can cause poor blood circulation, neck strain, and even increase your risk of developing sleep apnea. Over time, this leads to brain fog, headaches, and faster aging. Solution: choose a pillow that keeps your head aligned with your spine. Memory foam or orthopedic pillows can help, especially if you suffer from neck pain or stiffness. There you have it, 7 bedtime mistakes that could be making you age faster. How many of these mistakes have you been making? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs better sleep. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss my latest tips for staying healthy and youthful. See you in the next video.